Hi everybody. My last video, the snowstorm one at Monklands Canal, became very popular, so thanks very much for that. I received a couple of messages on YouTube via Facebook and as private messages asking for some of the details for the actual photographs that I included, like settings that I used, the shutter speed, etc. So rather than just reply to the individuals, I thought I would try and do a kind of re-edit of the video, this time including all that information. So this isn't this week's video, by the way. I should probably point out there will be another video this week. This is just a kind of wee bonus, if you like. It's me responding to the questions that were asked. But while I'm on, I'd just like to thank Ian, Mick, I don't know your second name, I'm sorry. Ian was kind enough to suggest my channel to another photographer who has now liked the channel. Thanks so much for that, Paul. I just wanted to thank Ian, first of all, for doing that, but also just to kind of encourage anybody else. If you know somebody that you think might like the videos or the photography, then please feel free to suggest, recommend, share, all that sort of stuff. It's kind of how Facebook and YouTube work, isn't it? It's all done on recommendations. So the more people that share and like and respond and comment on the videos on YouTube, the more YouTube recommends it to others that have got an interest in photography or in Scotland or I don't know, canals, snow. So yeah, it really helps the channel if you like and share. So anyway, without any more warbling from me, I'll show you the re-edit of the last video. You'll see there's some new footage in there, picked some new music, but it's all the same photographs. The only difference is the way the video is put together. So please leave some feedback. I'd like to know which one you prefer. I'm still very much learning my way around video making. Been doing photography for longer than I care to remember, but video production is something I really only started maybe about 20 weeks ago. So I'm still working my way through the software. I'm still working my way through how to put together a video. And more importantly, I'm still working my way through what works and what doesn't work on YouTube. So yeah, all feedback gratefully received, good and bad. So anyway, thanks for all your support. Thanks for sharing if you do. Thanks for liking, leaving comments and all that sort of stuff. And see you later. Bye.